viewers. I'm Mopi Chobe here to introduce you two of my recently written books. These are the two most recent I have written very recently, and these books are of massive importance. It is up to you to decide whether these books are very much important or not. In my opinion, these are the most important books to viewers, and one book is of such a great importance that it is up to you to decide whether it is the most important book in the world or not. I have taken a great care in writing these books, especially these are the two books, The Light of Survey. You know, my name is Om Prakash Chobe, and because of that, I often use the term light in my, as the title of my books. So, the light of word power, so far as this book is concerned, it is a massive book consisting of 778 pages, and 20,000 words have been used in it, and I have written these words on the basis of etymology. So, roots, prefixes, and suffixes have been examined in order to make these words easily word preparing. So, this book, language is the most essential element in human life. It is language that solves all the problems of life. Without language, we are nothing. So, you know, language differentiates us, and the prefix of the book, named as the prelude, reads something regarding it. Language is the language is all wealth, health, and body. It is the all cause of happiness, sorrows, problems, and solutions. So, if our language is very much powerful, if we are full of words, it is said about words that words are the formats of God. In Sanskrit, there is a proverb that Shabd is Brahm. Words. So, with the help of words, we can solve the problems of life, and therefore, I have written this book. So, show the cover of the page that will give the importance that I presented the importance of the book. Whatever things are written here, the cover page reads it. Reads everything, show it completely. The back page of the cover is this one. It reads the name of some of the books, some of the other books written by me, including this one also. This will be a great use to readers. I hope you will use it and buy it. The second book is even more important. This is The Light of Survey. The Light of Survey is the name of the second book. The cover page of the Light of Survey reads, the complete study with reference of this book will wipe out each and every problem of each and every person in any calling and situation, and that of any nation, institute in any part of the world. The study this study will give freedom and safety from all diseases and problems. This study will bring freedom and safety from cancer, blood pressure, sugar, corona, accidents, cancer, or any other disease known or unknown. It will bring a perfect solution of the problems of unemployment, corruption, pollution, food contamination, low production and agriculture, poverty, all sorts of weakness, accidents, conflicts, and clashes. Also, it will solve the problems of war and any other problem, hard or unhard, seen or unseen. The study of the book will bring all happiness and blessing in human life, in this world and in the other world. This book has taken a great amount of time. I took around 55 years in preparing my mind before I came to write this book. So before that, I used to read the Bhagavad Gita, and also I, when I was a child, I had prepared Ramcharitmanas at the age of 9. At the age of 11, I had crammed the Bhagavad Gita, and also later on, I taught lot many subjects. I studied Sanskrit also. I taught history and sociology, philosophy, psychology, and various other subjects to UPSC students in different cities of North India. And because of that, I got some knowledge, and all this knowledge and exercise was the part of the preparation for writing this book. So if my life was a penance before writing this book. I hope this book will wipe out each and every problem of the world. But I want to put this book in each and every house of the world. Without the spirit or without reading of the book, no problem can be solved. So I have a very massive vision of solving the problems of life, and I hope all persons will help me in this enterprise, because I can write books, but to publish them, to circulate them everywhere is not so easy. So I appeal to all of you to help me in this enterprise in order to solve all the problems of life, and it is a type of human service to God. So please help me in serving the whole humanity, in serving God, and in serving nature. I hope it will bring a tremendous happiness, a great happiness and pleasure in all persons' life, all readers' life. So thank you all. Please come with help in preparing these books, in getting them printed and getting them circulated. Thank you.